Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Take a look, Intuit Dome construction update. Take a look, the first concrete pour for the event floor has been completed. The place is looking good. The Intuit Dome, the future home of the Clippers, coming along very nicely. Can't wait to see this beautiful new spectacle next year. Take a look inside the $1.2 billion future home of the LA Clippers, the Intuit Dome. The venues will have power at every seat, an acre scoreboard, double the toilets of any NBA arena. The wall, no suites, just 51 rows and dedicated fan section. It's nearing completion, and is set to open next year. Diagrid installation has been finished. Its standout steel frame with Diagrid geometry can be seen wrapping the structure. This building skin is formed from a series of diamond-shaped, interwoven metal panels with multiple U's. According to the architects, the frame was inspired by the form of a basketball net as a ball passes through it. A vast array of solar panels can also be spotted on the structure's roof. Intuit Dome is set to operate 100% carbon-free, powered fully by batteries and solar power. The design team, alongside the Clippers organization, worked towards initiatives that will earn the stadium a LEED Platinum certification. The $1.2 billion, 18,000-seat arena will be the centerpiece of a larger mixed-use project, including an 85,000 square foot training facility, 71,000 square feet of office space, a 25,000 square foot sports medicine clinic, 63,000 square feet of retail, a public plaza with a large LED screen, concert stage, and basketball courts, a 150-room hotel, and parking for over 4,000 vehicles.